Jamaica fell behind, but it's not too late. Here's how we catch up to the world's best. We have what South Korea didn't: natural beauty, global influence, and massive Jamaican pride. But we lack one thing: strategy. Not vibes, not politics, strategy. We must stop copying broken systems and start building the economy around value. Export smarter, more than tourism and minerals. Educate for skills, coding, digital business, logistics, not just CXC. Support local businesses. Easier loans, better tax systems. Attack corruption and inefficiency head-on. Push productivity. Every hour, every job, every industry. Other small nations did it. Rwanda did. Singapore did. Barbados is trying. Why not us? Fixing Jamaica won't come from speeches. It starts with facts. The youth must lead the mindset shift. Follow at AlphaFaxJA if you believe we can build the new Jamaica.